welcome to your weekly reading. Let me share the information with you. First of all, we have the Chariot card, and then we have the Seven of Cups, and then we have an Angel Answer card, which is abundance. Yay! Okay, let's have a look. So first of all, the Chariot card. Now the Chariot, I love this because this has a lot to do with victory. You know, this is a victorious card. So it may be that during this week you have some sort of success, you achieve something, you reach a goal, you reach an end point. Actually, the fact that we've got the Seven of Cups in this reading, and this is all about goals and dreams and desires. Yeah, I do feel that there's going to be some successes for some of you. There's going to be some victories for some of you, which is absolutely lovely. It's very successful as well, this card, really. Yeah, it's interesting. I'm pausing for a moment, guys, because I'm just getting the sense of victory and success, and they're giving me the words achievement. And you know what? I don't know. They're just jumping around at the minute. We'll just go with it. I'm also getting clarity of dreams and goals and desires and objectives. So this can signify you focusing very strongly on what you want to achieve, what's important to you, what's in your heart and soul. Sometimes this can be confusing because you've got the cloud here. So this person is looking at all of the things that they need to achieve, need to do, and they're thinking, I don't know where to start. I don't know what one I need to work on first. I don't know what the priority is here. But I feel that this, in this week, is about a clarity. They keep giving me the word, a clarity of focus, a clarity of goals. So something comes in for some of you. It may be, it may come externally, but I'm getting for a lot of you, you get one of those light bulb moments. You get one of those like, got it, and you could be overhearing something or watching something or reading something, and it gives you some new information. You're like, oh my God, of course, yes, that's it. I was trying to focus on this, this and this, and I know now that this one thing is my absolute focus. That's what I feel. They've just given me an image, guys, of all of these things that you want to achieve and your goals, dreams and desires, and they've just gone like laser focused. They've focused on one. So I think clarity definitely for this week. And this is interesting because with the Chariot card it also talks about not going two-way, off track, over there or over there or over there or over there. It's like really center, you know, focused, laser focused, straight ahead, you know, once you've got your goal. And that's what I feel is going to happen. So some clarity, some focus, straight ahead. And in that sense, that's where I think the abundance is. You know what? I'm getting the sense of, for some of you, you've been thinking about different ideas, different possibilities. Oh, I could do this, this, and this. And then one comes to the fore this week. One comes to the fore for some of you. It's not for everyone, but for some of you that are listening, one almost, the mist clears, and then one goal is standing right in front of you, and you go, that is it. That is where you're going to have your greatest success. That's where you're going to have your victory. That is where you can find abundance as well. So, I mean, if that's not for you, I mean, just generally, it's going to be a very abundant week. There's a lot of energy, abundant energy. And abundance can come in so many different ways. Yes, of course, money and wealth and prosperity, but also abundance of energy and vitality and well-being, and abundance of light, and abundance of love and happiness and joy and laughter and smiles. So it just feels like this energy this week. There's a lot of possibility here, but they're giving me the word again. There's focus, there's laser focus. Something comes to the fore, and all of a sudden it's last week we said, like, go for it, didn't we? Well, I think just things are narrowing down so that you can really just look and concentrate and get all of your energy in one area. That's where your victory is, and that's where your abundance is going to be. I hope it's a really good week, and thank you so much for watching.